Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a bank account in your Amazon. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you have the Amazon Shopping app installed, you can launch the app. For now, I'll navigate to the Amazon website from my web browser. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. You'll see this kind of interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to add a bank account, you need to go to your profile section first. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right, tap on it. Over here you can see the Your Account section, tap on the See All option beside it. Now scroll down and under the Payment section you can see Your Payments, tap on it. Here you can see the Cards and Account section. In order to add your bank account, here you can see Add a Payment Method option, tap on it. If you want to link the debit or credit card of your bank account, you can choose this Add a Debit Card option. Here you can provide your card number, its expiration date, CVV number, your name on the card, and you can choose your bank over here. Otherwise, if you directly want to link your bank account, then here you can see Add a Personal Checking Account option, tap on it. Over here you need to provide the information regarding your bank account, provide your name of the account, your bank routing number, your account number, your driver's license number. You can select the state from here, and once you are done, you can tap on this Add this checking account option. And that's how you can successfully add a bank account in your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.